Aloha, this is Doña, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorial. Today we talk about the Apoyando technique with the alternating fingers. Last week we talked about the thumb technique with the Apoyando. This week are the fingers. If you don't know about what I'm talking so far, stop this tutorial and watch my tutorial #100. Otherwise, tune your ukulele and go ahead. Okie dokie, are you ready to go? So last week we learned what means apoyando. So it means that we do like rest strokes and resting on the string underneath the string we were playing. But we don't only play with our thumb, we also play with our fingers, because we have also in the Spanish finger style technique the pima, which means P is the thumb, I is the index, M is the middle, and A is the ring finger. And today we use I am, so it's the index and the middle. As an example, in the beginning of that tutorial, I used the regular D major scale, so it is 3, 5, 7, and again on the second string, and on the first string 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. And I just start on the first string. We alternate middle and index finger, and I'm resting on the string above, but already to go backwards on the first string. My thumb is lying on the fourth string, that I have an anchor for my fingers, my hand under control, where I am and what I am doing. So slowly I play, rest on the third string. When I rest, I am hitting the first string, and my index finger is all ready to go for the next hit or stroke. So it's like I am walking but doing a rest, and rest means ready to go for the next stroke. So it's like you're playing upwards your string. You are not playing inside and pulling outside your string. You are like a little bit dancing over the strings, and like you want to shovel the vibrations upwards to the fourth string. But as your anchor, your thumb lies on the fourth string, and you do this apoyando, the rest strokes. So what we play is 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, and then we go on the third string and do the same from the third to the second string, but we only play 3, 5, 7, 7, 3, 5. okay? Do this pretty slowly. I'm studying it again, and I only do it like between 50 to maximum 70 BPM. And this is an essential technique for the Spanish fingerpicking style. So maybe this tutorial seems a little bit boring for you, but it's very important to study it for the Spanish fingerstyle playing and ukulele. So go ahead, I stay in my cozy hoodie and do some rest for today and waiting for the New Year's Day. Love you, see you soon. See you next year. Doña.